Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I am deeply honored and grateful to our Governor of Sindh, Nehal Hashmi Saab, and all the distinguished delegates who are here present and with us. It was not possible for me to go for this sort of mega event, but it goes without saying that if your intents are correct, the forces of nature joins hand with you. And for me, the person that nature has forwarded towards me is Mr. Zuhair Nasir. He, he with his organization and his every department has given me a total free hand to do whatever I deem best. Kept on guiding me. He kept on giving me directions which have paved a good way for me to move forward. And after that, the whole organization of Badar Expo Solutions, especially our Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Tanveer Abdullah Saab, he has also provided the best support that anybody can expect. And of course, the whole team. So after saying that, let me come to the main topic, which is the scientific session of this healthcare expo. I think our healthcare ecosystem has a lot of potential. That potential is there to be used, utilized. And once again, I think it's inbuilt in our nation that we just forget what the nature has given us. Look at the healthcare system. Pakistan, not only Pakistan, the graduates, the specialists of Pakistan are there, present in every corner of the world and doing the healthcare with devotion, dedication, and excellence. This always gives me a sense of pride. My parent institute, Dow University of Health Sciences, its graduates are there everywhere. Likewise, the oldest institute of Pakistan, 𝐀𝐛𝐢𝐝, King Edward Medical University, its graduates, Aga Khan University, and so on and so forth, right? So I am really thankful to all my friends, my seniors, the academicians, the professors, the clinicians, and it gives me a lot of pride by saying that with whom I contacted, everyone was cooperative with all of their resources. And my resources were just not my resources, they became the resources combined of all the medical fraternity. Whomsoever I contacted, they cooperated. So thank you, Healthcare Fraternity of Pakistan. The academic session. One major problem of our country is the preventive healthcare. Our healthcare system is overburdened, and it's overburdened because we have a bad lifestyle. As a result, a lot of diseases are on the up, and we have become leaders in certain chronic illnesses, especially non-communicable disease like diabetes, hypertension, so on and so forth. So I appreciate all those medical fraternity members who have addressed this preventive healthcare, who are trying to educate the community about the lifestyle and how to prevent, how to maintain their health and prevent the diseases in the longer run. That is why the first scientific session is on CKLMS, which is cardiovascular, kidney, liver, and metabolic syndrome, the precursor and the harbinger of all the diseases that we get in any stage of our life, especially as we cross 40 and onward. At the same time, Pakistan has a lot of potential. We need support. Support can be had from the government and support can be had from us. So I am thankful to Arshad Qaim Khani Saab, who has the vision of focusing the 9 million population of Pakistan, which is outside Pakistan. Healthcare is very expensive when you go to the West and the developed side, but it is very economical in Pakistan. All kind of expertise is available in Pakistan, and all kind of good medical care, pre-op, intra-op, post-op care, and the medical care is available. So why not bring those persons, those Pakistanis who are outside Pakistan to Pakistan for their medical and surgical treatments. So I am really thankful to Arshad Saab, who has been a very busy person, but on my request, he has come, he has joined here, he will be part of the session after the break, and he will also be, he has extended his stay here to take part in the session, which is very kindly organized by Farhan Isa Saab on 25th. So I request you all to please be part of us here in the Hall 3, where the scientific session will continue with all the interesting topics. I won't take much time. Thank you very much. And once again, I am thankful to the medical fraternity, to all those who have helped me to gather you all, and especially Badar Expo Solutions. Thank you, sir.